Day 2, and it's raining, but we're getting ready to go here, so the skies are a little bit, and let's hope we're okay. Now we're on the trail. So far the rain has held off, but it might be coming. It's raining out, but we're still biking along. One of my favorite roads. You can't see. We're on top of the escarpment. Way over there. Gotta love that view, eh? So the weather's getting a little better. Passing a cemetery. Coming up to the lake house on the side of the road here. That's the lake house back there. Port Dalhousie now. We're 83 kilometers in. There.
I'll drop a note on the
from, yes, the early people disagree, but they coined the phrase. The Vallagers like, oh my god.
You did that really well. Like a real pro.
Lots of practice.
Speed shuffle up for Rogers. Walking it up to the finish line. I love that opinion that he's going in the back of it, but waterproof. I should have too. Very good choice for today.